Hey guys, just a really quick video for our myths about Japan playlist. I've had a couple of people send me this one. It's on social media that someone on top of Mount Fuji ordered a pizza from Domino's, and 6 hours later the Domino's delivery guy delivered it. Right? Lucky he happened to be wearing mountain hiking boots. It's amazing. And because then everyone's commenting then, oh, only in Japan would you get service like that. Isn't Japan amazing? And the people who are reposting this, the sort of characters that normally repost stuff to get views, are all reporting it like it's real. Like this is really what happened. Someone on the top of Mount Fuji picked up the phone, called Domino's, and they give such great service in Japan that the Domino's guy walked up Mount Fuji for 6 hours to deliver the pizza. I would challenge anybody to call Domino's and ask them to deliver a pizza at the top of Mount Fuji. What do you reckon they'd say? Right. The two things that are frustrating about this are these clowns that are just after clickbait and post this stuff like it's true. And then it's amazing how gullible people are. Anything about Japan, they just soak it up. Oh, isn't that amazing? Only in Japan would you get such good service. Really? I challenge anybody to call up Domino's in Japan, ask them to deliver a pizza. What do you think will happen? It's an obvious, very, very clever piece of free promotion for Domino's, isn't it? What they call a publicity stunt. More videos coming soon.